everybody. I hope you all doing well. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'll be cleaning my Himi Gouache paints, which I've not done in many months and it's in a very bad state. After that, I'll be doing few gouache paintings. So let's get started. Only after I started cleaning, I realized that it's taking way too longer than I expected and very messy as well. Yeah, this was needed because they were in a very bad state. This is so creamy. I got this Studio Gouache white because in Amazon I did not find refills for these Himi Gouache. Even though it's time consuming, it's pretty satisfying at the same time. So creamy. Before I start this painting, I was not in a mood to paint. And on top of that, I was more worried on how the painting's gonna come out. And am I capturing everything properly? Basically, I was more focused on these things than the painting itself. So I got distracted and felt pressured and feared more of the outcome. So the painting turned out pretty bad than I expected. After this, I told myself, let's take a break and do everything except art. After a few days, I decided to paint without worrying about anything and let myself loose with brush strokes and learn from my mistakes and not to repeat it. And I really liked how the painting came out. Let me know what you guys think about it. That's it guys for now. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video, and I will speak to you soon in the next one. Bye.